Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school binder. First, select a sturdy binder, ideally 1.5 to 2 inches in size, to accommodate all your academic needs. Next, clearly label each divider for every subject, like math, English, or science. Finally, stock your binder with plenty of loose-leaf paper, a functional pencil pouch, and any crucial reference materials you frequently use. This initial setup is key for an organized academic year. Maintaining your binder daily is crucial for staying on top of your coursework. After each class, immediately file all new handouts and notes behind the appropriate subject divider. If a paper isn't pre-punched, take a moment to use a 3-hole punch to secure it properly. This simple habit prevents loose papers and ensures everything is exactly where it should be, ready for review or homework. A weekly review session, lasting about 15 to 20 minutes, is essential for long-term organization. During this time, transfer any graded assignments or completed projects from your binder to a dedicated home filing system. This keeps your binder from becoming too bulky. Also, remember to restock your supplies, ensuring you always have enough loose-leaf paper, pens, and pencils for the upcoming week. Consistency is key. For even greater efficiency, try some advanced binder techniques. Color-code your tabs or use sticky notes to mark important sections, like upcoming tests or project deadlines. This visual cue can save you valuable time. Additionally, keep a small, laminated copy of your class schedule or important contact information in the front pocket for quick reference. Some students find using a 1-inch binder per semester helps manage the workload more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.